Okay. For all the fans that love me and all my vids, I'm gonna try to get a trick shot with this stupid BFG-50. It's gonna be pretty difficult, but it will be pretty much worth it in the end, hopefully. And we got, I guess, a headshot, but not really. The laser's kind of, I guess, limiting my chances on getting headshots, but it'll do. Okay, get over here, get over here, get over here, get over here. Where is he at? Where is he at? This person is so scared of me because I'm just... Please, dude, please. Is that just like I don't even know what to call it now. I am so done. I actually hit that. I think it's a... Okay. Okay. I think I just... Okay, 360... plus another 180, I think. Okay. 360, 180. Oh, actually, you know what? You know, not gonna lie, this actually looks pretty easy, but it kinda is just, I don't give two craps right now. Easy. Oh yeah, one of my friends asked me to go around them, so might as well, right? Yeah, there you go, Pete, my good friend. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it. Alright, let's do this. Let's go for another trick shot if we can. Can you people move? Boy! That was so... Oh my god. There we go. That's one. Let's freaking go. Got one kill. Okay, one guy is right there. Got him. I'm just gonna play defensively as always because okay, that guy disappeared, but I don't want to chance anything. I might get a pretty good kill streak. Who knows? Okay. Run. Reload. Oh my gosh, we have 20 health. Let's go. Run. Oh my gosh, I almost choked it. Okay, crap. Mega crap. Okay. Okay, come on. There's a couple of them right there. Okay, nope. Yep, running. Just get one at a time, Sky. Just get one at a time. Just one at a time. I got a hit mark on that guy. That's freaking nice. Okay. Of course, the guess. Latency is BS. It takes a while just to kill a freaking bum with BFG-50. You have to be precise with it, otherwise it's gonna be considered a hit marker. So that's one. Or actually the second, but third, it's suppressed. Okay, come on. 2. Let's get a quad if we can. Actually, yeah, I might be able to do this. Yep, there you go. Got it. Let him miss. Okay, he died. I just can't aim that well with this BFG. Okay, got that guy. Looks like my teammate got that. Alright. Okay, there's another guy. And he missed. I mean, he was kind of lucky that he almost got me because I was actually in a pretty bad position. And P90, okay. There's like 4 of them, they're gonna team spawn, of course. I don't know what happened, but I glitched. There we go. I'm gonna try and at least get 45 kills in total. I know the BFG and the PBS4 is going to hold me back quite a lot, but it's okay since, you know, I'm just going to just back away every time I shoot, since that's going to be my new strategy. Every time I'm going to use a suppressor for this gun, and I missed. Not gonna lie, but it's not easy as it looks, okay? It's not easy as it looks. You guys can probably do it better than I can, but, you know, I'm not really used to BFGs with, you know, suppressors, so it's kind of new to me. Okay, crap. Wow, okay. The G17 I thought was bad at first, but it's not that bad. And there's a couple of them right there that I can get. That should have been a headshot, but I don't know why it didn't register as one. Okay, anyone else? No, that's about it. Oh, okay. This the range on this freaking gun, I'm still surprised. I'm kind of shocked. It's a PBS4 and it still can one-shot them that far. Jeez, this thing is just a and he got one-shotted by the BFG suppressed sniper. Okay, yeah, that's my teammate. Laggy player, reload. That's pretty disappointing to see a rank 100 using a FAMAS, but what am I to judge? Okay, gotta get this guy that's right here. Okay. Got that guy. The G17 is helping quite a lot with the kills, which is pretty good, but I still need to get more BFG kills though. It's so freaking difficult though. Okay, there's one guy right there. Nice. Headshot. Oh, there we go, another. Okay. Okay, let's freaking go. Triple. Let's freaking go. We're still going. We're going off right now. Okay, we got a hit marker on that guy, but that's okay. Okay. This is so freaking hard. Oh crap. Nope. Thank you, teammate. Boom. Okay. Yep, got him. I got him. Reload faster. Come on. I don't want to die. There we go. Okay, guy right there. That's the rank 100 person. Oh, yep. He proned. He got me. He played me. Okay, I thought he was dead, but he wasn't. Oh my god, almost had a triple. Jeez. That guy's laggy. Oh my god, I almost had a triple. Wow. With the BFG suppressor too. A suppressed BFG and a triple collet. I don't see those every day. Man, that was a good opportunity. Okay. 1. 2. Reload this. 3. Yeah, just reload this. Come on. 4. Okay, come on. Keep reloading. 5. 6. Through the freaking elevator. Or escalator, whatever. 7. Oh crap, there's like a lot of them right there. Hit marker. But 8, come on. Let's keep this going. We're doing pretty good. Oh, I missed. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Wow, that guy's laggy. Jeez. Well, 49 and 6. Not bad. Not bad at all. I might actually get 60 kills in total, which is pretty good. Pretty good. Come on. Oh, I missed. What the hell? Okay, that guy is laggy. Yeah, I can't do anything about it. All I can say is that we conquered the crap out of these people. We just wrecked them all. Come on, come on, come on. There we go, got him. Nice. I guess just get some G17 kills. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Okay, this guy with the Scar L. 5 more kills, 5 more kills. 5 more kills and then we're there. Oh my. Okay, I might not be able to actually make it in time for the 5 kills, but we'll see. 9. Okay. 3. 2. 1. Okay. One more kill. You gotta be the most. Actually, what? Screw it. Okay, nice, 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 nice. We gotta get the last kill. We gotta get the last kill. Okay, screw it. Yeah, I tried. Well, at least that guy died by Dank Memes Life. Let's go. 59-7. That's not too bad.